Hi, I'm Chef Daniel. With over 25 years in bakery technology and product development in Asia Pacific. Today, we are baking a classic Hainan bread using Livendo Tradizy durum. Here are the ingredients: high protein flour 500 gram, cold water 310 gram, sugar 10 gram, salt 7 gram, Tradizy durum 20 gram, softening 20 gram. We start by mixing all the ingredients into the mixer. Mix it at 4 minutes slow. We stop the mixer, change the speed to fast speed for another 6 minutes. To check the development of the dough, we need to do window pane test. Take a piece of dough and stretch it to a thin, smooth film. Rest the dough for 5 minutes at room temperature. Cover it with a cloth to prevent the surface from drying. Now we divide the dough into 430 grams per piece and round it. Now we are doing the shaping of the dough. After shaping, we cover the tin with the cloth to prevent the dough from drying. Wow! Now we can bake the loaf at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes until it turns golden brown. Let the loaf cool down before slicing. Here's the delicious Hainan bread. Enjoy and stay tuned for more exciting videos and baking tips.